In this video, I will reveal the ingredients in the Hot Ones secret sauce. 3 tips they use to beat the YouTube algorithm. Hot Ones follows a simple yet effective formula to make videos pop on the homepage, grab your attention, and keep you engaged all the way through the interview. If it's your first time here, my name is Ben, and welcome to the channel where I break down creator growth secrets. When you think of the typical interview, it's just the host firing off a series of questions and the guest politely smiles, then answers with something pre-canned and scripted.
We're just trying to solve for a problem. We're like, celebrity interview shows are boring. How do we make them not boring?
Hot Ones flips the script on the traditional interview format. It's an emotional roller coaster. This is the secret sauce to their success.
You put your guests off balance by giving them increasingly spicy food, and it breaks down their inhibitions, and you get great answers out of people.
The show can draw out real, genuine emotions and feelings. At the start, Sean always asks, what is their tolerance for hot food?
Yeah, but I do have to ask, how are you at spicy food?
Now you might think this question is insignificant, but it's critically important as it sets the tone for the rest of the episode. If they respond by saying they are not good with spicy food,
I'm so scared. So my tolerance for spicy food is extremely limited.
The audience instantly feels their anxiety as they can see the terror and unease in their eyes as they look down the gauntlet of spicy wings, and thus the emotional roller coaster has started.
A roller coaster ride with the wings of death.
After each bite, Sean follows up and asks them how they're feeling.
How you feeling?
I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah.
If they are holding up well and handling the spice.
That one's tasty.
Then the feeling of excitement rises as you anticipate their reaction to the remaining wings. On the other hand, if the guest is sweating, teary-eyed, and swearing in pain,
It's so spicy. I think I might die.
you're laughing along with them because it's just hilarious to see people bathe their mouths in spice.
Oh God. Why? Why?
Either way, up and up the roller coaster you go. You're now hooked and invested into the interview. At last, you reach the last stab.
It's tradition around here to put a little extra on the last wing.
The peak of the roller coaster, the payoff for watching to the end, seeing their guests conquer all the wings, or their taste buds bursting into flame.
Here we are at the top of Spice Mountain.
Creating an emotional experience for the audience from laughter, excitement, suspense, and fear. This is what gets people on the edge of their seat and wanting to watch more. It's how Hot Ones captures your attention and keeps your eyeballs glued to the screen. Click-through rate is the percentage of viewers that see your title and thumbnail and click on it. I've done weeks of research and watched hours upon hours of Hot Ones. It's a spicy recipe to get people to stop and click. By following a simple 3-category strategy for titles in combination with a branded thumbnail that marinate together like a perfect blend of herbs and spices. Number 1. Paying tribute and homage to their guest. These titles work great for popular celebrities that are known for something. It's a shout out to what they're most famous for. Here are some examples of these titles. Michael B. Jordan gets knocked out by spicy wings. The interview was done close to the release of his boxing movie Creed, hence getting knocked out.
You're good, man. You do your research.
Paris Hilton says that's hot while eating spicy wings. This is a shout out to Hilton's catchphrase.
That's hot. That's hot. That's hot. That's really hot. That's hot.
These titles that pay tribute and homage to their guests are a great strategy for boosting the CTR when capturing viewers that haven't seen the show before, really leveraging the popularity of their famous celebrity guest to introduce Hot Ones to a new audience. The highlight moment and reaction. These titles capture the must-see part of the video. This is the part of the show that gets memed and spread like wildfire to the other corners of the internet. Paul Rudd does a historic dab while eating spicy wings. As we all know, it's tradition to put a little bit of extra sauce on that last wing, but Paul does something special.
What if we put a little of every single one?
I'll make it a little hot sauce puddle. In all 10 sauces, dab.
Bobby Lee has an accident eating spicy wings, where the comedian loses control of his bowels and accidentally soils his pants.
No.
Oh, did you hear? Oh,
This is not happening.
Yeah, it did.
No, it didn't.
Number 3, summary of the guest experience. This one is just as it seems, self-explanatory. Different ways of saying, hey, this person is being tortured by spicy food and having a terrible time. Here are some examples. Margot Robbie pushes her limits. Billie Eilish freaks out. Michael Cera experiences mouth pains while eating spicy wings.
My tongue is on fire.
The branding on their thumbnails is instantly recognizable. Easily pick it out from all the other videos on the YouTube homepage. Big Hot Ones logo on the bottom left, hot sauce bottles in the background, picking the perfect portrait that sums up their Hot Ones experience. The YouTube homepage overloads us with options. Hot Ones takes out all the guesswork and removes roadblocks with their consistent branding, making it a frictionless experience for their recurring viewers to find the show so they never miss an episode. Question for those of you who are fans of Hot Ones, who was your favorite guest? Mine is Eddie Huang because he ate the wings in reverse order and what ensued was comedy gold.
Eddie, going in reverse order.
I was worried about pooping. Fuck, I'm worried about my life. Dude, that was so painful. I puked in the sink, I took a giant hot shit, I accidentally touched my dick, so now my dick's on fire.
Once you actually get people to click and open your video, you need them to watch all the way through from beginning to end. This is where retention comes into play. Audience retention is the average percentage of the video people watch. So how do you keep those eyeballs and attention locked into place? The Hot Ones interview format revolves around one viral content concept, challenges, which is the key to its ability to maximize their viewer retention.
Celebrities want to go on there because it's like kind of like a game show and like a challenge.
The strategy for the challenge is straightforward.
The show where I interview celebrities while eating increasingly spicy chicken wings.
Having their guests stare down a plate of 10 scorching hot wings, getting progressively spicier from one wing to the next. As the audience, you want to see how far up Spice Mountain they can climb.
I'm sweating right now just watching this.
And what their reactions will be to each wing. The suspense builds up after each bite. Will they make it all the way through or be added to the wall of shame?
And I'm done.
Really hard.
I'm gonna tap out.
This retention boosting technique is core to the design of the show. It forces the viewer to watch all the way till the end.
Here we are at the finish line, the end, and just one more obstacle to go.
While most other YouTube channels say common catchphrases like,
watch all the way till the end for the results. Big surprise ending you won't believe. Got something special for you at the end of the video.
They say all these things in hopes that people don't click off. The genius strategy behind Hot Ones is the fact that they don't have to remind people. They already know best reactions and questions are asked at the end.
Here we are at the finish line.
If you're interested, I created a video on why 78% of MrBeast's content revolves around challenges. Feel free to check that out afterwards. If you found this video informative, please hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching,